Welcome back. Now, Quicken does not necessarily have a function for you to be able to track inventory for resale. However, there is a workaround when you have a retail operation that requires you to track a minimal number of pieces on a manual basis. So we can actually do that by going to the Account button. And what we're going to do is we're going to click the Other Asset category. We're going to request that this would be a business transaction, and we're going to write in the name of the asset. When we do that, we're going to click Next. We're going to pick a date to start tracking, and we're actually going to set the value initially at 0. And then we're going to click Next. We're going to say, no, there isn't a loan, and click Next. And then we're going to click Finish. Now Quicken has a rare vase category, and it's now valued at 0. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the account that we're actually going to make the purchase of the vase in order for resale. So we're going to go to our cash on hand account, and it would actually work for any payment account. We're just using that one for this example. So what we're going to do is we're going to write in here the category, and we're going to search for our rare vase category. And we're going to state that we are paying $50 for the vase. And we're going to click Save. Now what we've done is we've reduced our cash balance by $50, and now we have a vase that's valued at cost at $50. Now, because this is a cumbersome process, you can understand why you'd want to use a different system if you are going to have lots of inventory that you are going to want to account for. So now in the next video, we're going to go through the process of actually selling this inventory asset and accounting for the receipt of funds. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.